All right, so ahead of elections, garbage politics is peaking in Delhi. Swati Maliwal brings in Kuda to dump outside Arvind Kejriwal's home. While ago, remember, she was in Vikaspuri, we told you about it, where she had collected all the malba and the garbage from there. She said Delhi government failed to provide cleanliness. Protests have erupted outside the former Chief Minister's house. Swati Maliwal on your screens right now in these pictures, as you can see, is gathering the garbage, the malba, all of it, and has discarded it outside Arvind Kejriwal's house.
अन्यथा आपके खिलाफ कानूनी कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
भाई नीचे अच्छा ठीक है। प्लेकार्ड है नहीं बनी कूड़ेदान क्या कहना चाहती है
डिस्पर्स हो जाए और इन गाड़ियों को हटाएं। आपके प्रोटेस्ट के कारण इस सड़क को रोक दिया गया है, जिससे ट्रैफिक में भी व्यवधान उत्पन्न हुआ है। आम जन को काफी असुविधा हो रही है। कृपया इस तरीके से कूड़ा न डालें, अपनी कूड़ा गाड़ियों को यहाँ से हटाएं।
आज पूरी दिल्ली कूड़ेदान बन गई। मैं यहाँ पर आई थी, मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल जी से मिलने आई हूँ। ये कूड़ा कहाँ फेंके दिल्ली, और ये जो कूड़े का उखाड़ दिल्ली ने उन्हें दे रखा है ना, सुधार जाओ ना तो जनता सुधार देगी। और मैं ना इनके गुंडों से डरती, ना इनकी पुलिस से डरती।
All right, at least during elections, we see these issues of basic amenities, garbage disposal getting some attention. And you have Swati Maliwal, who is in fact, interestingly, an Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP, who has had a fallout with Arvind Kejriwal, now discarding the garbage outside his house. Piyush is getting in more details on that story. Piyush, at least during elections, these issues are getting some attention here. Swati Maliwal talking about the fact that the AAP government has failed in its responsibilities towards citizens vis-a-vis garbage disposal.
Well, certainly, Sneha, right now we are standing in front of Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and here we are now seeing as to how garbage has been dumped by Swati Maliwal right in front of residence of Arvind Kejriwal.
Piyush.
कूड़ा गाड़ियों को यहाँ से हटाएं।
Okay, images on your screens right now. Swati Maliwal already discarding the garbage right outside Arvind Kejriwal's house, and of course there's heavy police bandobast there. Detained also by the Delhi police in these pictures, as you can see on your screens at this point in time. Happens to be the Rajya Sabha MP from the Aam Aadmi Party, has had a fallout with Arvind Kejriwal for months together, has been raising issues of concern, and today she's spoken about the issue of garbage disposal, and she in fact earlier collected all the garbage from Delhi's Vikaspuri area and has now gone to Arvind Kejriwal's house, discarding all the garbage there. I'm going back to Piyush for more details on that. Piyush, she's now been detained by the Delhi police.
Well, yes, Sneha, Swati Maliwal has now been detained by Delhi police. A couple of minutes back, she was here right in front of Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and right behind me you can also see the visuals of garbage which has been dumped by Swati Maliwal, and there's also a huge poster of Arvind Kejriwal which is lying there, which reads "Muskuraiye, aap Delhi mein hai." Swati Maliwal, when she was here in this area, in this vicinity, she had also claimed that the entire Delhi is facing a lot of problem because of the mounds of garbage those are lying in different parts of Delhi. She's also saying that Aam Aadmi Party government has not done anything as far as dealing with garbage in Delhi is concerned. So now Arvind Kejriwal deserves, Kuda deserves garbage, and that is why she has thrown a mount of garbage here right in front of Kejriwal's residence. She had also got around 3 trucks of garbage. Now she has been detained by Delhi police. So the politics over garbage in national capital has now peaked. When Swati Maliwal had come, the entire area was also barricaded. Delhi police had deployed a large number of its personnel. Now she has been detained. When she was also throwing garbage at the time, Delhi police was requesting her not to throw garbage on the roadside in front of Arvind Kejriwal's residence, but she did not deter. She threw a truck of garbage. We can see the garbage also, which is lying in front of Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and right above that particular mount, we can also see Arvind Kejriwal's poster, which can be clearly seen right on the top layer of that particular garbage, which is lying in front of Arvind Kejriwal's residence. So the politics over the entire matter is now taking place. Where Swati Maliwal, who collected 3 trucks of garbage from Vikaspuri area of national capital, came here, dumped garbage, and now she has been detained. When she was here, she also claimed that Arvind Kejriwal, who was given 10 years by the people of Delhi, did not do anything as far as dealing with garbage issue is concerned, or about dealing with any kind of civic issue is concerned. He did not do anything, and now he deserves to face the same problem which the people of Delhi are facing. He had also, said that "Aap rahi sheesh mahal mein, Delhi rahe kude ke dher mein." So these were the slogans also. Those were chanted by not only Swati Maliwal but also by many other workers of Swati Maliwal who were accompanying her. Now she has been detained. Remember that as far as this politics of garbage is concerned, in fact, BJP has also been targeting Arvind Kejriwal on this front. BJP has been saying that the government of Aam Aadmi Party did not do anything as far as dealing with garbage is concerned or about sewer is concerned. Every time whenever there is rain in Delhi, waterlogging takes place. People face a lot of problems. There are various civic issues also now there in Delhi. So there is a unique way of protest which today Swati Maliwal did, where she got 3 trucks of garbage and dumped right in front of Arvind Kejriwal.
That's right. She's being prevented to do so, but not before she sent across that point that this is an area, Piyush, that needs work on, and it does. We've all seen the streets of Delhi. While during our coverage also, during elections, and how disappointed people are with basic things like garbage disposal, which also is in part is a responsibility of the MCD, which is again dominated by the Aam Aadmi Party, isn't it, Piyush?
Well, absolutely, Sneha, we remember that before forming government in MCD, when Aam Aadmi Party was doing campaigning for MCD, at the time they had claimed that they are going to remove all the garbage from Delhi, but it has not happened, and that is why Swati Maliwal, in its new protest, has now targeted Arvind Kejriwal. We can also now see that how few workers have come here from MCD, a few people have come here who are now clearing the debris. They are clearing the garbage which is lying on Firozshah Road. Firozshah Road is the same place where Arvind Kejriwal lives. 5 Firozshah Road is the place where Arvind Kejriwal lives, and right in front of his residence, Swati Maliwal disposed a big truck of garbage. Now she has been detained by Delhi police, but when she was here, she dumped 1 truck of garbage. Along with that, there were 2 more trucks on which Kejriwal ka kuda was written, and there were various workers also who were accompanying Swati Maliwal. They were holding placards in their hand which read Kejriwal ka kuda aap rahe sheesh mahal mein, Delhi rahe kude ke dher mein. So there are a series of ways through which Swati Maliwal in the last few days has been attacking Arvind Kejriwal. This has happened after the huge fallout which we all see took place between Aam Aadmi Party and Swati Maliwal. She had claimed that Bibo, who was a close aide of Arvind Kejriwal, had beaten up Swati Maliwal inside the Chief Minister's house. But Arvind Kejriwal did not do anything did not take any action against Bibab Kumar. In fact, he was also given VVIP facilities by Aam Aadmi Party. So we are now seeing how politics is speaking as far as the civic issues in Delhi is concerned, be it about water or sewage or about garbage. BJP has been targeting Arvind Kejriwal on all these 3 fronts. Now we are seeing how Swati Maliwal, who herself is an Aam Aadmi Party MP, she came here at Arvind Kejriwal's residence and has dumped an amount of garbage, a truck of garbage, right in front of Kejriwal's residence.
All right, leaving it at that for the moment, Piyush, getting us up to speed with the tamasha that has broken out in the national capital right outside the former Delhi Chief Minister's residence.